So today I want to talk about how it will be useful to have a two-window setup over here by selecting New Window. So let's say you only had one of these open, this one. In order to see your piano transcription side by side with your score, which will make things easier to orchestrate, you can press Window, New Window. You can select the piano part, which I'm not using as a part. As you can see, the score does not have piano. In my setup, I put in the piano and just left it out of the full score, okay? So here, piano is only in the piano, checked, not on any of the parts. And when I go to full score, you can see piano is not checked. That way you can keep them separate, but in the same file. If you had a piano layout in a separate file, you'll find that switching in between those two whenever you scroll, switching between those two projects take a lot more CPU power, especially if you have a lot of plugins in the VST loaded. I can just take out the full score, only the piano, and I can just have it side by side as I'm orchestrating. You can pull these back, you don't really need it, and you can do, for example, copy something. So let's see, I'm on measure 15. Let's go to measure 15, copy it, and it'll go straight into anywhere I put it. And that's it for today.